Hey guys, today's gonna be my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus unbagging video. I meant to cancel Ipsy last month, but I forgot to, so sorry, I'm just getting cozy here. I forgot to, so I got another one. This is the $25 one. It's called the Plus, right? Oh, I was giving Ipsy another shot and I don't even know. Okay, so anyway, this is the bag. This is March's bag. Today's March friggin' 29th. I love how you get the bag at the end of the month. It's like, I don't love how I get that. I think it's annoying. The theme this month is Stronger Together, Equality. The bag has a bunch of women on it. Really cool. What else? This just says different colors. Discover what's your power color. Discover the mood boosting effects of these hues and amp up your look. Again, it doesn't have what's in the bag. Somebody commented on one of my other videos and said, oh, I always get a card that says what's in my Ipsy bag. I'm like, really? Really? Because I don't think I ever have. Anyway, first thing in the bag is from Air Repair. This is the Complexion Boosting Moisturizer. Rejuvenating antioxidant formula Air Repair Moisturizer is designed to meet the demands of dull, tired, and dehydrated skin. Rich in humectants and antioxidants, this regenerating treatment cream is instantly absorbed. Do you hear my girls yelling? It's a crazy day. We lost power. Power's been going off and on all day, and I had to go and turn the generator off and on all day, and we can't play outside because the wind is like 50 miles an hour, so it's freezing outside. And anyway, yeah, okay, a moisturizer. We'll try this out. This is from Vasanti. Ooh, I like their makeup wipes. Yes, I got their makeup wipes. I think it was in a BoxyCharm, and I really like them. I'm actually going to go on their website and order more of their makeup wipes because they were really good. Anyway, this is the Bright Up Miracle Mask 5-in-1, made with charcoal, turmeric, papaya, clay, and butters, shea, and cocoa. This mask does it all. Softens, brightens, deep cleans, and hydrates the skin without any trace of tightness or irritation. It reveals an incredibly healthy complexion within one use. You won't believe it. No matter your skin concern, this is the mask for you to get radiant, healthy, and happy skin. Okay, we'll try that out. A lot of things in frickin' tubes like this. What is this? This is the Korres Greek Yogurt Foaming Cream Cleanser. Pre and probiotics. The one and only indulgent soap-free cream to foam cleanser formulated with the ancient skin-soothing superfood Greek yogurt. One step that gently and effectively removes impurities and makeup without irritating, safe for the most sensitive skin. All right, we'll check that baby out. What is this? Half-caked, totally tubular mascara. Babe tested and vegan approved. It's a mascara. So wait, Half-Caked, is that the brand? Never heard of this brand before. Totally tubular. This packaging is so 80s and I love it. I don't love how my nail polish is already chipped. I painted my nails yesterday and we've already got some chippage going on. I love this color. It's China Glaze Too Yacht to Handle. Oh, my battery light's flashing. So this is what the mascara looks like. Let's check it out. Okay, we got a plastic wand. It doesn't smell like mascara, it smells like plastic. You know how most mascara smells like mascara? This smells like plastic. Anyway, there's the wand. Last thing in the bag is a palette. This is Bell and Argent Plum Premonition. Bell and Argent. Oh, there's that. Whoa. Plum Premonition. Bell and Argent. How many times can I say that? Ooh, these are really pretty colors. Those are pretty. See my camera light. Camera. Those are really pretty. Okay. So my thoughts on this bag. I'm definitely excited for this palette. Oh, actually, I don't need this. I don't need no color names. I need to be like, guys, I put edit on my lid. I'm excited for the palette. I'm excited for the mascara, although I'm a little sketched out by the scent. Oh, the name of it is The Heights. Half-Caked. Okay, Half-Caked must be the brand. Totally Tubular is the mascara, and the color is The Heights. All right. This Miracle Mask I will try, and I gotta order the makeup wipes. Guys, I'm telling you, Vasanti makeup wipes, they're great. And then this cream cleanser, foaming cream cleanser, I'll try it out. The moisturizer I will try out. And I think that's it. So, you know, this bag is all right, but not enough to make me want to keep Ipsy. So I'm definitely going to go and cancel my subscription. I wanted to give them another shot, and, you know, they didn't, like, blow me away. So I'm canceling. I'm sticking with BoxyCharm. BoxyCharm has been my go-to for 6.5 years now, I think it's been. So that is it. Hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.